friends, welcome back to my channel. I've already prepped my tips and I'm only going to be using one white polygel, rhinestones, my Be Glam polishes, so that's my base coats which I've applied, my yellow gel polish from Be Glam called Lemon Pie, and I'm going to be using my dotting tool for nail art. So that's it for me, guys. I'm not going to talk too much. I have a very sore throat, so I'm just going to let you listen to the music and enjoy the nails.
My perfect date starts in a small cafe. There's hearts everywhere cause it's Valentine's Day. We order up waffles, then share the whole plate. Sit by the window and start to debate. There's nobody else I'd rather spend my everyday with. I think it's sweet, she sometimes winks when she laughs. I like the way she dances barefoot in the grass. Yeah, we get along alright, cause I've been dating me my whole life. Afternoon sun starts to peek through the clouds. We take the back streets to avoid the crowds. Waltz over sidewalks and twirl in the breeze. She'll catch me if I get weak in the knees. There's nobody else I'd rather spend my everyday with. She doesn't mind that I don't know how to cook. She likes the way I keep my nightstand filled up with books. And I think it's sweet, she sometimes winks when she laughs. I like the way she dances barefoot in the grass. Yeah, we get along alright, cause I've been dating me my whole life. She doesn't mind that I don't know how to cook. She likes the way I keep my nightstand filled up with books. And I think it's sweet, she sometimes winks when she laughs. I like the way she dances barefoot in the grass. Yeah, we get along alright, cause I've been dating me my whole life. It's been a year since we last talked, but now you're hitting me up, telling me that it's been too long and you wanna meet up. You said your favorite coffee shop was just on the block, so we met up for a cup and then went for a walk. But you were on your phone the whole time. What was up with that? Cause if you wanted me, talk to me. Don't be hiding behind your screen. I got too much stuff to do for you to be so rude. Said you like real conversation, but you don't know how to make them. Nuh-uh. From my point of view, I don't see how this is fun for you. Said that you had a good time, you wanna do it again. Don't know why I texted back. I guess that I'll see you then. Well, now I'm waiting for you here. Yeah. When you call up my phone, say you're sorry you forgot and left me on my own. But you're the one who wanted my time. What is up with that? Cause if you wanted me, talk to me. Don't be hiding behind your screen. I got too much stuff to do for you to be so rude. Said you like real conversation, but you don't know how to make them. Nuh-uh. From my point of view, I don't see how this is fun for you. This was so fun, quote by no one. I think we're done anyway. was so fun. Quoted by no one. I think we're done anyway. Cause if you're wanting me, talk to me. Don't be hiding behind your screen. I got too much stuff to do for you to be so rude. Said you like real conversation, but you don't know how to make them know. From my point of view, well, I don't see how this is fun for you. Tell me, is it fun? Is it fun? Tell me, is it fun? Is it fun? Tell me, is it fun? Is it fun? I don't see how this is fun for you. Tell me, is it fun? Is it fun? Tell me, is it fun? Is it fun? Tell me, is it fun? Is it fun? I don't see how this is fun for you.
Honeybee, can you give me something sweet? This thing you have could give me scars. Straight to the heart, and you feel like a Sunday breeze. Singing birds and buzzing bees. I played your song on my guitar, the sweetest part.
I met you when I could've sworn you were the one for me. The things I saw in you became my favorite things to see. Never argued, never fought, never had a second thought. I was blinded by my love, I couldn't see a single flaw. But then it came through, had to try to see a different view. Had to take a look at something new, but that was hard to do. I was only interested in you, I was paralyzed by love, I couldn't move. But now I'm on a new level, winning at the brake pedal. I just made a promise to myself that I won't settle. Yeah, I really love you, gotta move on. Living life well because life ain't long. Yeah.
You could be my honeybee. Can you give me something sweet? This thing you have could give me scars. Straight to the heart, and you feel like a Sunday breeze. Singing birds and buzzing bees. I played your song on my guitar, the sweetest part.
Once you got your hands on my heart, felt your sting, now it's ripping me apart, yeah. Doesn't matter where you are, always out creeping around, raising my alarm, yeah, girl. So hot, so cold, so baby tell me when you can't come home. Yeah, you be so like sunshine, here for the day till the nighttime, yeah. Like what you trying to do to me, try once or twice, never got it through to me, yeah, yeah. Like truthfully, mean I love you but I gotta stay true to me, yeah, yeah. Feelings come and they go, maybe I should let them all flow, yeah, yeah, yeah. Maybe someday I'll know when you gonna be my love.
You could be my honeybee. Can you give me something sweet? This thing you have could give me scars. Straight to the heart, and you feel like a Sunday breeze. Singing birds and buzzing bees. I played your song on my guitar, the sweetest part. You could be my honeybee. Can you give me something sweet? This thing you have could give me scars. Straight to the heart, and you feel like a Sunday breeze. Singing birds and buzzing bees. I played your song on my guitar, the sweetest part.
I think I've fallen for you, and I don't know why. I don't know why. You love that summer rain in mid-July, mid-July.
My last name fits you better. When I'm with you, there's no pressure. I miss your worn-out sweaters. Weather couldn't compromise our love. I spent too much time on us, and I think you got me stuck on loving. You can't function. I gotta tell you all my secrets, and you know that just ain't easy for me. Oh baby, won't you come to my town? Last time around, you ain't come to my house. Stay for a while, me, my mama, and my family. We'll see, let's see.
I think I've fallen for you, and I don't know why. don't know why you love that summer rain in mid-July, mid-July. I think that we're overdue. You and I, you and I know that we'll make it through. Telling you why, telling you why.
Yeah, summer rain on your tattoo. I know that nobody has you. So is it me you're running back to? I'm not ashamed to say I'm attached to you. Oh no, no, no. Remember those days when we sang those songs in your old Mustang that your parents bought, when they split ways and you felt alone. So you have a couple people trying to make up for your broke heart, looking for love, and I think that I'm a good start. I know that you've been through a whole lot, but I have too. So baby, when you're missing me and it feels right, and I'm in your dreams like every night, I don't know why you won't give me another chance with all our years in an hourglass. Yeah,
I think I've fallen for you, and I don't know why, I don't know why. You love that summer rain in mid-July, mid-July. I think that we're overdue. You and I, you and I know that we'll make it through. Telling you why, telling you why. I think I've fallen for you, and I don't know why, I don't know why. You love that summer rain.
So here's how the nails turned out. I'm so in love with them. The nail art is so easy to do. Anyone can do it, especially beginners. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you all for watching my video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.